Hello and welcome everyone to this video tutorial. My name is Kumar Saurabh. In today's video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process of installing PostgreSQL, a powerful open source relational database management system on a Windows operating system. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this tutorial will help you get the PostgreSQL up and running in no time. So let's dive right in. The first step is to download the PostgreSQL installer. Open your favorite web browser and visit the official PostgreSQL website at www.postgresql.org. Once you are on the website, navigate to the Downloads section. On the download page, you will find a various versions available for a different platform. Select the Windows version that matches your operating system. Whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit, click on the download link to start the download. Once download is complete, look at the downloaded installer file, which should have a .exe extension. Double-click on the file to launch the PostgreSQL installation wizard. The installation wizard will guide you through the installation process. On the first screen, you will see an introduction to PostgreSQL. Click Next to proceed. On the next screen, you will be asked to choose the installation directory. By default, PostgreSQL will be installed in the program files directory. If you want to change the installation location, you can do so by clicking on the Browse button. You can also choose the components you want to install. Typically, the default options are sufficient for most users. However, if you have specific requirements, you can select or deselect the additional components accordingly. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click Next to continue. On the next screen, you will be prompted to enter the data directory where PostgreSQL stores its data. The default data directory is usually fine, but you can change it if needed. You will also need to set a super user password. This password will be required when you want to perform administrative tasks within a PostgreSQL. Make sure to choose a strong password and remember it. After entering the necessary information, click Next to proceed. The next screen allows you to choose an additional configuration option such as the port number PostgreSQL will use, the locale, the service name. In most cases, the default values are suitable, but you can modify them if necessary. Once you made your selection, click Next to continue. Now that you have completed all the configuration steps, you are ready to install PostgreSQL. On the next screen, the installation wizard will summarize your choices, review the summary, and if everything looks correct, click on the next button. The installation process will begin and you will see progress bar indicating the installation progress. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you will see a stack builder screen. This tool allows you to install additional PostgreSQL extension and updates. You can choose to run it now or skip it for later. Congratulations! You have successfully installed PostgreSQL on your Windows system. You can now start using this powerful database management system for your project. That concludes our tutorial on how to install PostgreSQL on Windows operating system. We hope this step-by-step guide was helpful to you. So at last, I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you.